Thales, one of the first known Greek scientists, philosophers, and mathematicians. Little is known about Thales' life. Thales was born 624 BC in Maltus, Asia Minor, also known as Turkey. He was the son of Exanes and Cleobolne. He died 546 BC in Maltois, Turkey. Thales had traveled to Egypt to study science and geometry. When he came back to Miletus, he surprised everyone with his unusual mathematical abilities. He knew how to determine the height of a pyramid from the length of its shadow. He became famous for predicting the eclipse in 585 BC. When he figured out the height of one of the Egyptian pyramids, he waited until a time of day when his own shadow was the same height that he was, and then he measured the shadow of the pyramid. Thales' math theories. A circle is bisected by its diameter. The angles at the base of any isosceles triangle are equal. If two triangles have two angles and a side in common, the triangles are identical. One of Thales' most famous theories was Thales' theorem. This theory is simple, but a little confusing, so I'll explain it to you slowly so you will understand. So this theory states that if you have a circle and A, B, and C are points on the circle, but line AC is the diameter of the circle. Then wherever angle B is, it will always be 90 degrees. Thales was also the first Greek scientist who didn't say that weather, stars, and planets were all controlled by God. Thales found scientific explanations for all these things. Thales might have been a genius, but he was also a very poor man. People would say, what good is wisdom if you can't pay the rent? Definitions to know. Circle. A closed plane curve consisting of all points at a given distance from a point within its called center. Diameter. A straight line passing through the center of a circle. Triangle. A closed plane figure having three sides and three angles. Isosceles having two equal sides.